Welcome back to our channel, guys. Today we're gonna see a big platform in big staking video. Per monthly you will be getting 100% profit, guys. If you are investing 1 lakh, you will be getting 2 lakh. Like that, a genuine staking platform we're gonna see today. This platform is uh, audited by Certik and KYC done by Ragda, guys. Okay, this could be the best platform that giving much profit and audited by Certik, guys. Okay, let's get into the video, guys. Okay, I'm giving the link in the description, guys. Just click on the link, okay, and copy and open it in Trust Wallet, guys. Okay, open the Trust Wallet and click on the apps and click on paste, guys. Okay, click on paste and done. Do done. Okay, the page will get open. Just change Ethereum into Binance Smart Chain, guys. Okay, so here the connect wallet option is available, guys. Okay, if you want to connect the wallet, you can check it. If you want to invest in your own risk, you can connect the wallet and check it. But right now I am opened in Trust Wallet. Here the connect wallet option will be available only for MetaMask and crypto.com Techviewz wallet, guys. Okay, so I'm not connecting the wallet right now. The Finance coins will be $0.84, guys. Okay, so here a lot of options they are given, guys. Okay, so 990 million total value locked, because a lot of people staking their coins and earning 100% monthly profit, guys. Okay, here so 990 million overall locked the Finance coin, 130 million circulating supply, guys. Okay, and 150 million circulation supply, 8.7 million total banned, guys. Oh my god, that could be awesome, guys. This is the website page also, Finance, and you can check what are the updates they are coming. Okay, approved by Certik, so that could be great. They can't rugbull or they can't doing scam here, so a lot of option available. You can check it out. So here down a lot of option available: trade and vault, defi, launchpad, games. So click on an option. Okay, so click on and click on farms, guys. Okay, so click on farms. So similar like Pancake Shop, there is a lot of option game, guys. Okay, so here also you can get APRs. Click on pool option. Click on pool option, guys. So similar as pool, the farms option is available. Okay, here MMF coin, if you can hold MMF coin their own native token, and you can get 333% every month, guys. Okay, so and I'm not holding, you can just invest $10 and you can make $330, guys. Okay, that much profit this staking performance is giving. And you can stake MMF and get USDC and USDT CRO, like this. Lot of option available. Which coin you want to hold, you can hold at your own risk and you can earn money, guys. Okay, because that much this platform is giving that much genuine profit to the investor. So that's why this much of people holding this much of coins, guys. See here, a lot of people. Okay, so click on vault, then come back, then click on launchpad, come back. So game options also available. If you want to play game, you can click on this game option and you can take coin toss, roti, scroll roll, dice roll. Which coin you want to, which game you want to play, you can click on coin toss. I am clicking on coin toss. Okay, so which wallet connect I'm choosing. So I'm choosing head or tails. We need to choose, guys. Okay, head or tail we need to choose, and we can earn a lot of rewards, guys. Okay, so like this it will happen. You can connect the wallet and you can play here. So a lot of options available in this platform. Okay, close this one. Okay, so this is the Finance official website page, guys. Okay, so in this platform also, by clicking on and come back. Okay, by clicking on this, just opening this website, and by clicking on and farms, you can earn lot of money, guys. Okay, you can earn lot of money, guys. Okay, so that much profitable is this one, guys. Okay, so you can choose the coin, which coin you want to invest, and you can invest at your own risk, guys. Okay guys, so I hope this video will liked, and we'll see you in another great video, guys. Thank you so much.